сайн байцгаана үзэгчдээ намайг өнөө иргэдэг. Тэгээд би өөрийн сонирхлоороо тоглоомны геймплей хийж нийт YouTube дээр байршуулт юм уу гэж бодоод эхнийхээ тоглоомыг эхэлж байна. Хамгийн анхныхаа тоглоомыг. За энэ тоглоомыг бол та нарын ихэнх нь мэдэх байхаа Assassin's Creed гэх. Хэрвээ та нар Assassin's Creed 1-ийг тоглож байсан бол яг энэ тоглоомд юу өрнөд болоод байгааг сайн мэдж байгаа. Би бол Assassin's Creed-ийн бараг нэгээс бусдын тоглосон. Тэгээ нэгээс бусдын орог тоглосон. Энийг ч ихтэй тоглож дуусгасан. За тэгээд хэдүүлээ тоглоом шинээр эхлүүлье.
I'm a prisoner of war. A war I never knew existed, waged by two groups I never thought were real. Templars and Assassins. The enemy showed me the truth. Things I've seen, things I've been. 1,000 years of history flowing through my veins, brought to life by this machine. They're using me to search for something. Call it the Apple. It's an artifact, one of many so-called pieces of evil Templars collect. It's how they stay in power. And if the Templars get their hands on another one, everything will change. They want to make us all their slaves. When they first brought me here, I was afraid of what would happen if I tried to fight back. Now I'm afraid what will happen if I don't. I can't do it alone. Maybe I don't have to. I met someone. Her name is Lucy. I think she's on my side. She's gone now. She's taken away by the bastard Warren Finnegan's Templar masters. I don't know what will happen. What will happen to me. All I know is I need to get out of here. I need to do it soon. My name is Desmond Miles, and this is my story.
За ингээд хэдүүлээ тоглоомоо эхлүүллээ. Хэрвээ та нар нэгийг тоглож байсан бол энэ яг ямар очтой бичиг тэмдэгнүүд вэ гэдгийг сайн ойлгож байгаа. Нэгийг би халтал тоглож байсан болохоор яг дуусгаж үзээгөө. За хэрвээ та англи гадралдаг бол надаар энийг орчуулуулад байлтгүй ер нь өөрөө ойлгочих байх гэж бодож байна. За өстой уучлаарай. Манай компьютер жоохон хацаад байна.
What's with the blood? Are you okay?
Look, we have maybe 10 minutes, maybe, before they figure out what I've done. If we're not out of here and on the road before then.
Wait, we're leaving?
Desmond, I promise I'll answer all of your questions later. But right now, I need you to just shut up and do what I say. So please, get in the Atlas.
All right.
Subject simply Desmond Miles. Subject 16. Competent path. За энэ манай тоглоомны гол дүрийн баатар байна да. Нэг жоохон улаан жижиг нэлцрээ.
Oh my love. Scratch. I was correct. Did I miss? Am I correct?
Хинтээ янзгууд нь. За зөвхөн арм танд. Хайт.
Mind set of laws.
What shall we call you, Father?
Ezio.
Ezio
Auditore da
Firenze.
Get up. Let's go.
Yeah, we're gonna make some.
There is a time, Desmond. You have to leave.
We're really getting out of here, huh? Server's got some fucked up interior decorating.
За өстэй өчлөр жаахан гацаад байна.
Hey! You're not supposed to be out here! Open our next door! I'm calling it in! What's wrong?
Ой ядраа. Төө. За өстэй өчлөрөө анахаа. Анхны бичлэн дээр ингэ байж сарах байт.
There they are! Don't let them get away!
Яа. Ой ядраа. За ер нь хэдүүлээ очих газар очиод оролцсон дээр юм шиг байна. За хэдүүлээ ирэх газар ирчлээ. За тэгээ энэ чи задлалдаг санагдаж байна эднэртэй. Хөлж байна. За контр хэлсэн нэр юм шиг байна. Контр болохгүй наа. За намайг нэг их жинлан амжаагүйс тэр Люсин уншиж байна. Нэрд юу юм бэ гэсэн байртай л хийж байна. Юу хитээ юм гэж байна. Get it.
You get in.
You're joking.
It's for your own protection. We're almost there.
Thanks for that. Great. Shove the trunk, bouncing around.
This way.
So, tell me what's going on now?
Ой ядраа.
There's a reason for this late, Desmond.
They just...
За хэдүүлээ
Oh, what?
графика жоохон бууруулчаад болцъя. За одоо гацмайг баха.
They'll do what they can, where they can, but
What? What is it?
we're losing this war, Desmond.
Жоохон гацаад байна
The
юм.
Templars are too powerful, and every day more of us die.
I still don't see how I fit into this.
Бичгчнээс бол ингэж байгаа юм.
We're going to train you, turn you into one of us.
What? No. No, you've seen me in action. I'm no good at this. And even if I was, it would take months. Years even.
No, not with the animus, not with the bleeding effect.
But I'm just one guy.
Sometimes, that's all you need.
So that's why you thought. My ancestor. What was his name? Ezio?
If you can follow in his footsteps, you'll learn everything he did, just like he did. Years of training absorbed in a matter of days.
You broke me out of Abstergo and brought me here just to make me an assassin?
Ooh.
Look, there's more to it than that, but it'll have to wait. Trust me, okay?
Alright, I'm in. Tell me what you need.
Really? You're sure?
I thought you'd be happy about this.
Sorry, I'm just a little surprised. I spent the whole ride over here figuring out how I was going to convince you to do this.
Say it. What those Templar bastards put me through. I'm ready, willing, and able.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Lucy, you made it. God, it's been so long. 7 years. Can you believe it?
Indeed. Welcome back. So this must be the infamous Subject 17. Desmond Miles, was it?
Who are you?
I'm sorry, where are my manners? I'm Sean Hastings. This is Rebecca Crane.
Nice to meet you, Desmond.
Right, well, it's been lovely chatting, but if you don't mind, Desmond, it's best we get straight to work. Time is precious. Lovely so these days.
We've got everything set up and ready, Lucy. Just say the word and we get going.
Here, I brought you something. A parting gift from Abstergo.
Wow! Memory core. This is amazing. With their data, things are going to go a lot faster. I'll get to work on merging the code.
За одоо энэ амар хэдэн хүмүүстэй ярилцах гол энэ урт ярилцах гол юм дээр анимус руугаа болтгоо маа.
This stuff, Desmond. This stuff, there's nothing special really, this stuff. It's just the stuff that keeps our entire operation from falling apart, really. It requires a great deal of concentration to keep it all moving, so you'll forgive me if I don't have time to make it great.
Sean's in charge of maintaining our knowledge archives. It's like a digital library. He'll be riding shotgun with me while you're in the Atlas. So if you come across anything of note, people, places, events, etc., he'll create database entries you can consult for additional information.
Yeah, it's not just databases, though. I also provide tactical support for the other assassins. Desmond, once around there, actually doing stuff, risking their lives, little things like that.
Hey, listen. I just wanted to say thank you. And I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Yeah, before. Everything in Abstergo. It was just... I wasn't ready.
It's okay.
No. Going through all that. Knowing that the Templars still exist, what they're planning.
What's done is done, Desmond. You're here now, and that's what matters.
За хэрвээ та Assassin's Creed 1-ийг тоглож исэн бол энэ хоёрын яг сая юу ирснийг бол сайн ойлгох хаа. Буй бол хэвдээ юу ч ойлгохгүй л.
Hey, Desmond.
Тэр өмнөх Abstergo яг юу болсон
My
бэ?
role is in all this.
I take care of me. It's my job to keep her up and running.
Who you mean, the enemies?
Actually, I prefer Atlas 2.0. It's twice as awesome as anything you'll find at Abstergo. The Templars might have deeper pockets than us, but they've got no ambition, no passion, no competitive edge. That's why, even with all their resources, anything they can do, I can do better. Faster, too. Anyway, take a seat when you're ready, and we can get started. I just need to make a few more adjustments.
За одоо сууж болох байгаа. За тэр.
Now, how does this work? Of course.
Deep breath.
What are you, a tiny child?
Sean!
Well,
Here we go.
За манай гол дүрийн багт чинь шүү дээ. Ээж яа битүүрээ тавьж.
Insieme per la vittoria! Silenzio, my friends! Silenzio! Grazie! Do you know what brings us here tonight? Honor. Vieri de Pazzi slanders my family's name, forces his own miseries upon us. If we... Enough of your nonsense, Trullo! Buonasera, dear. We're just talking about you. Surprised to see you here. I thought the Pazzi hired others to do their dirty work. It's your family that cries for guards when there's trouble, Goddard. Afraid to handle things yourself. Your sister seemed quite satisfied with the handling I gave her earlier. Incidentalo!
Энэ чэсэн мэрний эзээ чэсэн шүн. За далцнаа. Ой тэмдэгтэй гай. За цагцуулчлаа. Дахиад гарч ирдэг санагдаж байна.
Federico! What are you doing here? I wanted to see if Lady Brother finally went out to fight. And? I think you have style. But endurance is what counts. Let's see how many of them can prove before they get invested.
За дахиад нэлээд гарч цагцуулахгүй. Хөөе биш байна. Контроль хийх. Болж. Цаага явж яга нөтөлөд байна.
Fall back! Fall back! Fall down. What? I don't want this. Well, it's just a stretch. Let the doctor decide. It's not necessary. Besides, I have no money for this doctor of yours. Wasted it on women and wine, huh? You hardly call it wasted. Some florins there. Well, you've done the same. Search them. There's bound to be something in the pockets.
За хэдүүлээ авлуулсан 200 одоо юу гэх юмтэй. Одоо за 200 заасаа цуглуулчаад олжээ. За хэдүүлээ заасаа цуглуулчлаа. Одоо дараагийн даалгавар дээр очлоо. Одоо эмч рүү явдаг байхаа.
The sooner we're done with the doctor, the sooner we can sleep.
Хөрхий. За жоо гацгаад байна уу яах гээд.
Calm, friends. I refresh not minutes.
За.
Ben trovato, Doctor. Fratelli auditori, why am I not surprised? Can we wait and place a perception? It must not be real. You must help me. That pretty face is his only asset. The fuck? There we are. Now get out. Grazie. This way.
За.
Quite a night. Indeed. Only wish they were all as much fun. Oh, wait. They are. We should head home, Ezio. Father should be wondering where we've gone. Yes. They'd rather go in a lecture. Where did you race then? To where? Roof of that church.
За одоо оролдох нэ. За замаа мэдэх бол төөрдөг талтай шүү.
Do it. There.
Гүр. За гоё.
Your brother still has much to learn. Come on, Tartaruga.
За төрүүлсэн төрүүлсэн.
Come on then, this way. Where are you going? You'll see.
Ямар гоё саундтрак вэ? Ханаас сонсогдож байна. Нэлээд гоё.
Isn't this a good life we lead, brother? It's best. Never change. And they never change us. All right. Enough of that. We really should head home. Let's go. Wait. Fine. Ezio, let Christina sleep. There will be time enough for that. Later.
За явахлаас газрын зураг нээч. Шийдээ. Ой, таа.
Keep looking! Put it in the fire!
Sag muna. За хэдүүлээ графика дахиад жоохон. За одоо бол энэ тентгийн гацх асуудал байхгүй хаа гэж бодож.
Christina!
Who's that? Oh, Ezio. I should have known.
May I come in?
Fine, but only for a minute.
A minute is all I need.
Indeed.
За энэ чинь жоох эвгүүд юм болно. Тэгэхээр хэдүүлээ. Энэ гэсэн даалгавар юм бэлүүлэхгүй. Зөвдөл юм болно даа. Гүдээ гэж.
Christina! Christina! Yeah, good convenience.
necessary. God, voglio la sua testa! There's really no need for
алдаач. Ятраа.
You have me confused with someone else. She needed some help with some things. And mostly
Ишорнаа. За энэ дээр чекпоинтыг за энэ газрын зүүн нийчээ тэрэн дээр байгаа. Дараа нь явчихсантэй. Яг дээр нөгөө тахт. За одоо хэдүүлэг даалгавар руу явъя. За хэдүүлэг даалгавар дээр очиод. За хэдүүлэг даалгавар дээр ирчлээ.
I need them delivered to me.
with haste, Father.
Return to me when it's done.
За. Жаврагч олж ирэх ачист шүү дээ. За хэдүүлээ очих ёстой газартаа очиод. За хэдүүлээ газар ирчлээ. За.
Hey, Petrova! How are you? Come sempre. I have a letter for Messer Lorenzo.
I'll see that he receives it when he returns.
Returns?
They've gone to Villa Careggi, I'm afraid. They don't expect it back for at least another day.
I'll let my father know.
За тэр захиа өгчөөсөн байхгүй байх шиг байна. Тэгээ буцаад аав руугаа буцаад явж хэлэх гэж байгаа шиг байна. За өөрчлөлт тийш явъя та. Яа. За зовсон ч болсон юм байна дөө. Ой. Төрч тэнэгдэх гэж юм уу?
Please get on.
You worry too much, Giovanni. Hello, son. You remember my friend?
Good morning, Confaloniere Alberto.
To you as well, young man. I trust you delivered the message.
Sì, padre. Since Lorenzo is out of town.
I did not anticipate this.
What does it matter? So you wait another day.
Listen, your mother and sister have been looking for you. I'll meet you again in a little while, but for now, see if you can't help me.
Are you sure?
Yes, now with you. Excuse us.
Good to see you, Ezio.
За одоо энэ даалгавар нэ.
Buongiorno, Ezio.
Buongiorno a voi, madre. Come state?
Sto bene. And you? Still recovering from last night?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Not close enough. Anyway, I have an errand to run. I'd like you to join.
Oh, piacere.
town. It is not far from here.
За одоо хэдүүлээ Leonardo да Vinci-тэй уулзнаа.
I know about your father.
That's fine.
Definitely. Let's not play this game.
This won't heal of us. We're not allowed him to continue.
I'm sure he's having a hard time dealing with the accusations against his father. Francesco Di Pazzi is many things, and none of them good. But even I never suspected he'd be capable of murder.
What happened to him?
I imagine there will be a trial.
Your father shouldn't get it.
He'll have to. He's the one with the evidence.
Still, I wish there was another way.
You have nothing to fear. Everyone wants justice now. These are important criminal affairs, not in the past.
За хэдүүлээ ирчлээ.
Hello, Leonardo.
Madonna Maria.
This is my son, Ezio.
Molto onorato.
L'onore è mio.
Let me go and fetch the paintings. I'll be right back.
He's a very kind.
Immagino.
Self-expression is vital to understanding and enjoy life. You should find an out.
I have plenty of outlets.
I meant besides vaginas.
Back to your house then.
Sì, sì. Ezio, help Leonardo, will you?
Яа, гацаа таа бэ.
So Ezio, what do you do? Have to be a banker.
Well now, you, art was it?
Truth be told, it's a bit difficult for me to settle. Painting is nice, but I often feel like my work lacks, I don't know, purpose. Does that make sense? I'd rather contribute more practically, more directly. Architecture, perhaps, and more anatomy. I'm not even thinking of passion.
Oh, Leonardo, I have no doubt you'll go on to do great.
Vi ringrazio. That's kind of you.
Thank you for your help, son. Don't let me keep you from your other duties.
It was nice to meet you, Ezio. I hope our paths cross again.
Anch'io.
За ингээд талбар болчихлээ. За их ч нээдэг баха.
Hey Claudia, how are you?
Bene.
You shouldn't keep this from me.
It's Lucio.
What are they?
I think he's been unfaithful.
Who told you this?
The other girls. I thought they were my friends.
Marvelous. You're never wrong without them.
I loved him.
No, Claudia. You weren't done with him.
He should suffer for what he's done.
Wait here. I'm gonna have a word with him.
За хэдүүлээ тэнцэнэ авчичаад уулзалтъя. За хэдүүлээ ирэх газар ирчлээ.
Beautiful. Nothing but the best for you. Amor.
But what of Claudia?
I thought you promised to her.
Father said I could do much better than out told.
Ah! Infante! No, let us walk a bit.
What? I had to do something else.
Oh, Lucio.
pedophilia.
You insult my sister. Really ground Dana.
What are you talking about?
The sword that gift you gave her. The things you said.
Maybe your sister shouldn't be so stingy with her gift too.
You broke her heart.
Ah, and now I'm going to break your face.
Oh,
You auditores all talking, but when it comes time for action, ha!
You're the correct ever opening your mouth.
I could have taught your sister a great many things. She's lucky to have had someone like me.
Bastardo!
Basta, mi arresto.
Stay away from my sister!
за одоо нөгөө даалгавар дээр очиод хичээлээ оолцолтъя. За хэдүүлээ нөгөө даалгавар дээр ирчлээ.
Doing out in bed with Joe. She's in bed.
I'm one of those fathers.
What for?
It's sick.
If I get them, we'll go back inside.
Yes, I promise.
Начиг гаруугүй юу? Хүсэн сэгсийцэн. Жохон нэрээ зэрэгтэй. Ай. Oh my god, тэр.
Dear, as promised.
Grazie, brother.
Still haven't told me when you want these.
I will.
Гэнта. За энэ ингээ хэдүүлээ энэ төрөд ингээд дуусгая. Энэ ингээ маань нүдэн таалан сэргсэн танарт маш их баярлалаа.